Today I will talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. We just click here on this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. We just click here on settings. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to error reporting mode. Just click on it here, and here can you select error reporting mode in this list here. So that's all. I wish you I give it, just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.